Hi everyone, and welcome back to the video series on Learn Turkish for Beginners. In the previous video, we started to learn a few basic phrases, and in the second part, we will continue learning a few more. So please repeat after me what you hear during the lesson. Let's go and get started. First one, nasılsın? Nasılsın? This is how are you, but in informal situations. And the next one will be for formal situations. The only difference is sınız at the end. So nasılsınız? Instead of saying nasılsın, we say nasılsınız. Okay, good. Then iyiyim. İyiyim is I'm good. İyiyim. And çok iyiyim. Çok iyiyim is I'm very good. I'm really good. Okay, let's see the next one. Alright, so if you want to ask back, how are you? It's better not to repeat the question nasılsın or nasılsınız again. It would be better if you said you, which is sen, the informal form, or siz, which is the formal form. So the dialogue goes like this. Nasılsın? İyiyim. Sen? Ben de iyiyim. I'm good too. Or the other way, in the formal situation, it would be nasılsınız? İyiyim. Teşekkürler. Siz? Or siz nasılsınız? Then the person would say ben de iyiyim and so on. Don't forget to say thank you. Teşekkürler. Next one. This is only for friends and family, which is naber. Naber. Actually, this is not the way to write it. Originally, it is ne haber, which is kind of like what's the news. But this is the most common version that we write down or we say it. We never say ne haber, but we always say naber, naber, which is what's up. Good to know this one. Next one. Nerelisin? Nerelisin? Where are you from? Nerelisin? So maybe you can already differentiate that this is informal. Can you guess how would you change it to formal situations? What do I need to add after that? Maybe nerelisiniz? Yeah, you got this one right. Nerelisiniz? All right. Next one. Adın ne? Adın ne? What is your name? Or you can also ask senin adın ne? There is no difference. You can use both. Adın ne? Or senin adın ne? Now the next one will be formal. So can you guess again before I go to the next slide? Okay, so it will be adınız ne? Adınız ne? What is your name? But formal. Adınız ne? And the last phrase of this lesson is benim adım benim adım. All right. You can also just say adım and your name. Adım and your name. Or even you could say ben and then your name. So it would be I am. Okay. All right. Now it's time to summarize everything that we learned. I will read them all out loud and please try to repeat them as best as you can. And on the next lesson, we will do a big review, which we will cover everything that we did in the last 3 lessons. Okay? So let's start with this one's review. Nasılsın? Nasılsın? Nasılsınız? Nasılsınız? İyiyim. İyiyim. Çok iyiyim. Çok iyiyim. Sen, siz, sen or siz. Naber? Naber? Nerelisin? Nerelisin? Adın ne? Or senin adın ne? Adınız ne? Or sizin adınız ne? Benim adım, benim adım, or adım, or even ben, and your name. Alright, that was it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to watch this video again. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next lesson, which we will do a big review and learn a couple more basic phrases. Teşekkürler, görüşürüz.